Dear friends, 3.5 ಅಸಮಂಜಸ ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ inappropriate pronunciation. See, when certain Kannada words are not properly pronounced, it may convey different meaning that the intended. For example, if alli means there, alli means there, okay, is pronounced as a halli. Halli means lizard. See, then it will not convey the meaning of alli. A list of similar fare is shown in table 3.6. Now we set table 3.6. 3.6 ಅಸಮಂಜಸ ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ ಒಳಗಾಗುವ ಪದಗಳು. ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ susceptible for inappropriate pronunciation. Kannada words written in English, Kannada words written in English language and English word. See, first one, akki. Akki means rice. ಅಸಮಂಜಸ ಪದ ಹಕ್ಕಿ. Hakki means bird. Second one, Alu. Alu means servant. Halu means waste, spoil. Third one, Enu. Enu means what? Henu, lice. Fourth one, Emme. Buffalo. Inappropriate. Hemme means fried, different meaning. Fifth one, Huli, sambar. Uli, chisel. Sixth one, Uri, flame. Uri means rope, hagga. These are the ಅಸಮಂಜಸ ಪದಗಳು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3.6 ಸಂಖ್ಯಾ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ, ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಸಂಖ್ಯಾ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ. The learning of the Kannada numbers is very useful in day-to-day conversation, like in English. Kannada has cardinal and ordinal numbers, while cardinal numbers in Kannada called ಮೂಲಾಂಕಗಳು in Kannada, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. and etc. are used for continuing. Then second, ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers ಸ್ಥಾನ ಸೂಚಕ or ಕರ್ಮ ಸೂಚಕ in Kannada. Ordinal number means ಸ್ಥಾನ ಸೂಚಕ or ಕರ್ಮ ಸೂಚಕ called in Kannada language, like first, second, third, fourth, etc. These are used to represent the rank or position of something and not the quantity. In the table 3.7 and 3.8 shown the English cardinal numbers. Kannada ಮೂಲಾಂಕಗಳು and ordinal numbers ಸ್ಥಾನ ಸೂಚಕ ಕರ್ಮ ಸೂಚಕ respectively. Table 3.17 ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೂಲಾಂಕಗಳು, English cardinal number. See, Arabic English numbers and numbers in Kannada equivalent for English. Kannada numbers written using English letters and Kannada numbers written in Kannada language. See, the first 0. First I read the numbers. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 100 1000 1000 10,000 1 lakh 10 lakh 1 crore 10 crore 100 crores 1 billion. These are the numbers. Same ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಸೇಮ್ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 100 1000 10,000 1 ಲಕ್ಷ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ 1 ಕೋಟಿ 10 ಕೋಟಿ 100 ಕೋಟಿ. ಇದು 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. These are in letters. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 11 11 12 12 13 14. So like that. These are the cardinal numbers. And table 3.18 ಸ್ಥಾನ ಸೂಚಕ or ಕರ್ಮ ಸೂಚಕ ordinal numbers. Arabic numbers. Same numbers in Kannada equivalent of English. Kannada numbers written using in English letters. Then ಸ್ಥಾನ ಸೂಚಕ ಕರ್ಮ ಸೂಚಕ numbers written in Kannada language. The first, second, third, fourth, sixth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 34th, 100, 1000. Same. ಏಳನೇ ಎಂಟನೇ ಒಂಬತ್ತನೇ. ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 1ನೇ 2ನೇ 3ನೇ 4ನೇ 5ನೇ 6ನೇ 7ನೇ 8ನೇ 9ನೇ 10ನೇ 11ನೇ 12ನೇ 13ನೇ 14ನೇ 15ನೇ 16ನೇ 17ನೇ 18ನೇ 19ನೇ 20ನೇ 21ನೇ 22ನೇ 23ನೇ 24ನೇ 25ನೇ 100ನೇ 1000. Same. Okay. Reading practice. Read the numbers written in Kannada ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ and in Kannada without glancing into English origins. See English numbers, Kannada ಅಂಕಿಗಳು. 8 8 18 11 11 8 18 11 15 15 in first column 8 8 18 18 11 11 15 15 5 5 4 4 14 14 9 9 19 19 1 1 7 7 17 17 6 6 16 16 10 10 13 13 3 3 12 12 20 20 2 2 0 0. Reading practice. Same. Table 3.2 20 80 50 80 80 50 50 40 40 100 ನೂರು, 145 145, 90 90, 92 92, 1000 1000, 70 70, 60 60, 30 30. See, these are the ಅಸಮಂಜಸ ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ ಆಯಿತು ಮತ್ತು ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಯಿತು. these are numbers, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Thank you.